Hello everyone. Are we live? Anyone here? Hello DJ Puneet. Hello Siddhant Pandey. Hello Guneet. Hello DJ Davik. Can you guys hear me properly? Hello Dark Square Entertainment, my friend Utkarsh Sharma. How are you? Hi Himanshu. Hello Mabby photographer. Hi Kailash. Hi Jatin. Hi Remy. Hi Anil. Hi Shraddha. Hello Abhinav. How are you guys doing? How's the quarantine period going on? I'll introduce myself. My name is Rajat Mahajan. I'm head talent manager under Base Culture. And one more news I want to share with you, everybody, on my live here, that we at Base Culture finished 3 years today. So a very big happy moment for all of us. We just realized like 10 minutes back. So I just received a text from my team, entire team, and everybody congratulated. Thank you everyone for all your support. Hi Kunal, hi Shraddha, I'm good. I'm Shraddha, I'm good. How are you? Hello Afrojack. Thank you Pandey, thank you so much. Thank you Afrojack. Yeah, today we have a very special guest. So he's one of my favorite DJs in the country. He's a very versatile DJ, very big name in the country. His name is DJ Jasmeet. I guess he is one of the very renowned names from Bangalore city, and he's very talented in terms of crowd interaction, in terms of playing different genres, house music, Bollywood, you name it, and he can play any music anywhere and make people dance on his tunes. Hi Ankit, thank you, Mabby photographer. This is Mabby photographer guy, is our creative guy Nitin, very talented guy. You should go and check him out. Hi Sham, hi DJ Money, how are you? Hi Avesh. So how's the quarantine going on for you guys? A lot of people have asked me over live in the last couple of days. I have seen a lot of people have asked the question that how do they enter Base Culture, and whom to send the profile and everything. The profile, the email is mentioned in the bio. It comes to me basically. It's rajat@baseculture.com. You can shoot your profile to me, and we can filter it out on the company basis, on company rules, and what we are looking for, what we are looking in an artist. Hello, hi Vipul Khurana, how are you, bro? Hi DJ Sunny Deepak. Hi DJ Sam India. How are you guys doing? How's the quarantine period treating you guys? Siddhant Pandey is asking party kab hai? Definitely there is gonna be a huge party. Hi Sanat. Hi विपुल भाई, कैसे हो आप? Hi Rax Mumbai, how are you? So we are waiting for DJ Jasmeet to join. He will be mostly here. Just let me check 1 second. Hi, we have DJ Smith here. विपुल भाई, जो हर हाल है वही मेरा हाल, जो तेरा हाल है वही मेरा हाल है. Hi Amrish. Yeah, we have DJ Smith with us on live. Just 1 second. Hello, 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 hello. How are you, sir?
Hey guys, hi. How are you doing?
All
Can
good,
you
bro.
hear
How
me
are you?
and can you see me clearly?
Yes, I can see you. Hi, guys. Can you see DJ Jasmeet clearly? Yo, yes, yes, we can.
Okay, we're good. How are you doing, Rajat?
I'm good. How are you, sir?
Usual. Don't call me sir. Call me just me.
Finally, sir. Today is base culture 3 years. We have finished 3 years and on at base culture. So just realized 5 minute पहले मैसेज
Con-
आया टीम पे.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you
That's
so
great
much
news.
and
Everyone at Base Culture, congratulations. Well done.
thank you so much.
Let, let,
तीन
let's
साल हो
throw an
गए हैं.
online. Let's throw an online party.
एवरीबडी इज आस्किंग फॉर पार्टी हेयर. अभी मैसेज भर भर के मैसेज आ रहे हैं कि पार्टी चाहिए पार्टी चाहिए. मैं बोला 5 मिनट पहले मेरे को खुद को रियलाइज हुआ कि 3 साल हो गए. जस्ट सॉ
Good, man.
गौरव.
Well done.
या. सो हाउ आर यू सर? हाउ इज क्वारंटाइन गोइंग ऑन?
Oh, fun, man. It's great. Catching
फैमिली
up
टाइम.
on all my stock liquor. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Hey, it's okay. It's all right. It's all right. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's good. It's all good.
रिंक इज हेयर. हेलो रिंक, हाउ आर यू? थैंक यू रिंक, थैंक यू सो मच. रिंकिंग सिंह,
Hey, what's up? What's
कंग्रेचुलेशन.
up? What's up? Yeah, I got a blue screen. That means I've been spending a lot of time in the studio.
या
I got a
या
blue screen right there. Yeah.
या.
Wow.
So, bhai, a lot of people want to know what is the like, how is the journey, DJ Jasmeet's journey, what is experience,
Ah,
what all genres he play, how he, interacts with crowd. A lot of questions. I have received like around 15 to 20 questions with me. I have written
I,
them down because मैं भूल
I
जाता हूँ सब चीज.
I thought we were having a party and there were no questions to be asked and
No,
we're just
no,
gonna
no,
have
no.
a good time.
Party plus questions because a lot of people keep on asking and keep on sending these kind of questions in the DMs. So
Okay.
I need
First of
to
all,
arrange.
let me say hi to everyone who's saying hi to me
Yeah,
in the
sure, sure, sure.
chats. Hi to everybody, and thank you for being here. And I'm hoping you're staying at home and not being anywhere else. Okay? Yeah. Now we can
Yeah,
go
so
ahead.
yeah. So first, everybody wants to know like how much experience do you have in this industry? So I know everything. I know in and out of DJ Jasmeet. I am the biggest fan here. That is the reason I am hosting
Thank you.
today. So
Thank you.
by everyone, like you go ahead, please. You tell them what is your experience, how was the
I
journey.
started last weekend, and now I've reached here, and now I'm on. No. Okay, I've been doing this. I've been doing this over. It's been what around 20 years, man. It's been a long journey. It's been 20 years almost. Okay,
Yeah.
and I started when I was almost in college. When I joined college, and I started doing this side by side, and then went ahead with it. You know, now we're
Yeah,
here.
okay. Yeah, a lot of people, on from last 3, 4 chats, a lot of people are sending, a lot of young kids, I can say, they're sending messages like, I dropped out of my college, I'm pursuing DJing now, so I don't want to study anymore. So one suggestion from.
Are they pursuing DJing because they dropped out of the college?
No, no, they're saying I want to drop out of the college and I just want to pursue DJing as my career. I don't know whether they are, fully focused on this part or whether they are just saying because everybody is going in the same lane. Because earlier, when you started DJing, I don't think so. People were treating DJing as full profession.
DJing
You
was
you
not a
can answer
career.
this
You're right.
better.
DJing back then was not a career. So when I said, at home that I want to do DJ, they're like, band बजा रहा है, band बजाएगा तू क्या करेगा हर जाके?
Correct,
So
correct, correct.
that's what it was. So right now it's a career. I don't think you should drop out of college. Okay. Instead, what you should do is a side by side do. I think there are a lot of online courses also. Learn to play the keyboard or learn to learn some DAWs, learn Logic, learn Ableton. Don't drop out of college simply because I think it gives you a certain overall personality and overall experience. Okay, a well-rounded personality because you'll be well-read, have more knowledge compared to others.
Correct.
You know, you can draft your own invoices.
No,
Yeah.
obviously, draft. That is the main part, I guess. Everybody needs the payment. So
Yeah.
that the main point here was that people, a lot of young kids think that okay, let's go, drop out from college and drop out for whatever we are doing, and let's go and tell our parents we want to pursue it until unless they might not be focused fully, or I can say that education is as important as if you want to start a career. Education is very important
It
in
is.
every field
It
you
is.
need.
It is. At least complete a basic education if you can.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah, correct.
Or if you do not, let's say some of these kids they finish 12th. Okay. I tell them instead get a degree in a keyboard or get a degree or be an Ableton certified, producer. Get something. That's also like college. Okay. But do something what be focused is what I'm saying.
Correct, correct, true.
Yeah.
So,
But have fun also. Don't be all serious. Yeah.
yeah,
You know what? I'll be honest with you, I hated college, okay? I was not, I was regular, I was an average student, but I had to go there. And then I realized after I finished that, it does give you certain amount of leverage as you proceed ahead
yeah,
in life, you know?
correct, true. Uh, but when you started, what all genres you were playing in Bangalore? Because Bangalore, we know we have Bangalore
No,
people.
Bangalore back then, when I started, let's say it was the 2000s, early 2000s, okay?
Yeah,
And by then I was playing retro, 80s retro, okay? Bangalore was a very rock place, okay?
correct,
People used to love the rock music. So I used to
correct.
play 80s retro. I used to play house music. It was the home of house music.
Yes,
So a
yes.
lot of house music. I played a lot of house music the earlier years of my career, earlier 6, 7 years of my career.
Okay, okay. No, Bangalore still I feel Bangalore has different bunch of crowd. People have taste for rock also, for jazz also, for Bollywood also, for house music also. I know so many people who love techno now. Techno is rising, booming in Bangalore. So
Yes.
earlier Bangalore scene was in terms of techno was the highest I feel. I didn't see much of crowd in Bangalore and Bombay. I feel I didn't see
Yeah, I
much
think
of
it's all to be given to the artists and even the musicians. It's not just the DJs, even the live musicians that bringing out different sounds, and of course the underground DJs and the more so commercial DJs. Also, the whole industry needs to work this together to put it across. You have clubs that play techno, you have clubs that do commercial, you do
correct.
clubs that do Bollywood. So I think that's great. It's great. Bangalore, as also it's a very cross-cultural society. A lot of students, a lot of IT community, and all that. So this gives us an opportunity to try out different kinds of music, and now even clubs playing different kinds of music, which is great. It's great for everybody.
Actually, yeah, yeah. They can invite actually every kind of people can come and join the same place if they have different nights, particularly dedicated for all the particular genres they want to put it in their club. So
Definitely.
yeah. So another question was, how do you design your club set? They are given me three sets basically. They're saying one is club set, one is a sundowner set, and one is a wedding set. So how you
Okay.
prepare three different sets because you do a lot of weddings also. तो यहाँ पे
Yeah.
बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो weddings करते हैं और वो करते कहते हैं कि नहीं यार मैं club में नहीं बजा सकता. But I have a biggest example in front of me right now who can bang any party anywhere in this country or anywhere in this world because I have seen you playing. I have seen you
I
playing
feel
so many
good.
clubs.
I certainly feel good.
No, no, no. No, true that, but
No, I
yeah,
think I think it's a choice I made. I wanted to be an open format DJ. I did not
yeah,
want to restrict myself to a certain format. But of course, I won't be wrong in saying that because of the radio shows that I've had over the last few years, I'm also doing radio. Okay,
correct, correct,
that's given me a lot of mileage in the Bollywood side because the radio show is Bollywood. But then again, for those of you who have attended the weddings I play for and the private events, I do a lot of house music. I do a lot of hip hop also.
okay,
So when you're saying, how do you plan a set for a wedding? Okay, in a wedding, you should got to be open to request. You need to have a lot more genre, a lot more. Your whole record box has to have a lot of playlists of different genres. Okay, so I'm mentally prepared that okay, if I'm playing in half an hour, 1 hour Bollywood set, the next I need to do in English, and sometimes I mix one English, one Bollywood, accordingly. Okay, and keep it
correct,
very. At least the early hours of the evening, I keep it very familiar, sing along kind of tunes. Okay,
okay,
and now coming to a club. In a club scenario, it depends on what the theme is. Okay, if it's saying okay, it's a retro night. Okay, then I'll stick to retro music. If it's house music, then I
correct.
stick to house music. But then again, the advantage in a club is I get to experiment a lot. Okay,
Yeah, yeah, true
and
that.
you got to be prepared that in a wedding when you're playing for a wedding, you got to be prepared for 5, 6 hours of sets. Like a long hour. So you got to have that much music and that much content in the back of your head. It should be there, right there. That okay, right now I'm going to play this. Right now I'm going to play that. So that's what makes it interesting.
And what about the sundowners? How you take it sundowner
Okay,
sets?
I have have recently started another avatar called Mode J, MODE
Yeah, correct.
J.
I have question number 9 also. Please.
Okay. Yeah. So Mode J just started, and that's more of a sundowner and melodic house kind of avatar. Okay. Simply
Okay.
because I can play that kind of music. I enjoy that kind of music, and so that's what was interesting to me. But again, Sundowner sets are more melodic, a bit more mellow. Okay. Uh, so let's say, but after you did the techno DJ coming, you build it up for him and give it to him.
Okay.
So a Sundowner is going to be tropical house, melodic, a bit of deep house, and you keep it at start from let's say 110, 120 BPM and go to 126, 128, and give it to the other banging DJ after the sun has set.
Correct.
Yeah.
True, true.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah,
A lot of production work is going on Mode J. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Hopefully, we'll do something together with Bass Culture.
yeah, sure. I am like, we'll be glad. I'll be glad personally. So, bhai, one more question. All like in terms of how miking skill is very important in DJing. Basically, is crowd interaction. How crowd interaction is very important in this field. यूजुअली बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे, बहुत सारे डीजेस होंगे इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे अभी लाइव देख रहे होंगे जो सोचते हैं कि नहीं यार मैं सिर्फ प्ले करता रहूं रेगुलर,
नहीं यार,
उसी से क्राउड बहुत
crowd. Mic लेके बात करना is very important to get the crowd going. Okay, especially if you're playing to a crowd which is a timid, let's say a wedding crowd or private party crowd, so doesn't want to get on the floor. So mic लेके
Correct.
also what it does, it builds a bit of a repo. थोड़ा repo बन जाता है आपका. They get to know your personality when you talk on the mic. And
Correct.
you make them feel at ease. You don't throw. If you don't talk on the mic and you sound like, boss, मैं hero है, आप लोग अभी मेरा god. You can't do that kind of attitude. So to break the ice, you do that. Okay, चलो, I'm your friend. आ जाओ सब लोग, बात करेंगे, chill करेंगे.
पार्टी करेंगे. Correct. True that.
Party करेंगे. You build a repo through the night. But honestly, also I don't like DJs who keep talking every track, huh? Like every track, and I'm like, don't kill the track, don't kill the buzz. Yeah.
Yeah. True. So, एक और बड़ा fun question है that you have played, in multiple parties where a lot of celebrities have come. So, any best moment you wanna share? Any moment here you played in a party where Sanju Baba also have come. Sanju Baba, Virat Kohli, Mikka. I have seen number of. I know. I checked personally all the stories. मैं स्पैम करने में पहला वाला हूँ. So I check every story of DJ Jasmine.
It's good. Yeah. So what do you want to know about it? Like, what's the experience like?
No, they're saying the one favorite moment basically out of any party, one favorite moment. Which is the one favorite moment?
I think that each one has their own favorite moment.
We want two then. We want three then.
There was one party I was playing. Oh, I didn't know. And I turned my face up and see who's there. Ranveer Singh is dancing in front of me, and he's giving me high five and all that. And he killed it. He rocked it on the floor.
Okay.
It's moments like this that get you going. Like, wow, okay, nice man. Somebody out there who you enjoy seeing and is loving your music instead.
True.
So yeah.
Correct. So now we go and see live comments. DJ Abhi is saying hi, Jassi bhai.
Hi guys. Hi Abhi. Lot of live comments there. Hi Abhi.
Yeah.
Hi. Good guys there.
Lot of.
Hey, hi everyone. Hi Arun. Yes.
Let me see if I have which DAW you use, sir. So there's one question.
Ableton.
Which DAW you?
Ableton. I've always been using Ableton, but I also am slowly to learn a bit of Logic. Okay.
Logic.
But Ableton does it for me.
Okay. Arun is saying hi, just meet.
Yeah. So in fact, if what do you say? Yeah. Hi guys. Okay. If you say what DAW, it does not depend what DAW. I know a lot of very good producers who use Fruity Loops. Okay. And the content is great. It doesn't matter what DAW you use. What matters is your end product. Okay. And
Correct.
that's what people are going to listen to. They don't care what DAW you made. As long as it's clear and sweet and the product is great, that's what matters. So don't take that seriously. Just create a great product. Yeah.
True. So there's one guy. 1 second. I am Tanix. He's saying how to get events and gigs, sir. I guess this is like all-time favorite question. How to get gigs, sir. So how to get gigs, sir?
See, when you're starting off, obviously nobody will get you a gig. What does a club want? A club wants good music. A club wants people. A club wants business. Okay?
Correct.
You got to take all these things in your head before you approach a club or a promoter, for that matter. I tell there is a few DJs I manage. I have a talent management company also.
Yeah, that is another question. No, no, don't say it now. That is another
Okay,
question.
okay.
Don't kill my
So I
question.
tell the DJs, when somebody asks me this question, uh,
Correct.
how do I get gigs? I question them back. What do you have in you that I can give you my club to play at? Okay.
True.
I need that unique selling point. What is a unique selling point? That, see, he'll say, I have great music, I mix well, I am good looking, I talk on the mic well. All of the DJs are doing that. Everyone's doing that. But what is that
Correct.
special thing in your music or your performance that keeps you away from everyone else? And that's what
Okay.
will get you, gigs. That's what will get you gigs. And that's what will get people coming back to your events. I've seen so many
Correct.
DJs just be there for 2, 3 years and then vanish because they can't keep it up.
Yeah.
Be there, sustain. Yeah.
One question from Anil. Hi, Jasmeet. What's the strangest thing and weirdest things you have seen from the DJ booth?
Too many.
One,
I'm not-
one will be this also. One will be this also. But I guess
yeah,
every
this-
DJ have faced this.
yeah. You know
Every
what?
DJ in the club.
I feel sorry for the guys who do this because I think most of them are coming to a club for the first time and they expect a DJ to be a radio
A
jockey,
jukebox.
Yeah, a jukebox. He's not going to be a jukebox. You got to keep calm. So I have a poster in my studio. Wait, hold on. I'll just show it to you. One sec.
Yeah.
So I say, I want to. Can you see it?
Yeah, keep calm. DJ. Oh yeah, true. Correct. You have to. Yeah, it's a mirror image. People cannot read it. You have to read it out.
So it says, keep calm. I'm the DJ, not the jukebox. Okay?
Correct. True that.
And I guess you just have to wait for the DJ to play songs. And other than weird things, a lot of weird things. Yeah, sometimes, I'm thinking it's a house music party in a private party, and it turns out to be a Bollywood party. And then I'm like, oh my God. And also
Disaster.
there are a lot of things that happen. And I can't just, point out at one. It's fun all the way.
No, I was seeing Akhtar Bhai is live yesterday. So what happened? Akhtar Bhai was explaining the situation that a girl will come to me or guy for a matter. The guy will come to me and tell me, please play my favorite track because me and my friends are leaving in 10 minutes. So Akhtar Bhai, like one advice to them, जाओ अभी जाओ आप 10 मिनट के बाद मत जाओ now only leave. We don't want you here. So one advice, like one comment from your side also I read on this. Like a lot of people might be coming to you also. Please play my track because I'm leaving in like next 10 minutes.
My answer to them is this.
Correct. जाओ आप जाओ.
My advice to them is like, believe in the DJ, okay? Minute he starts playing, you cannot give him a request because I think you got to give him that 1 hour or at least 45 minutes to warm up, feel the crowd, understand the crowd, and then let him do his thing. But again, after an hour and a half, you politely tell him, to play his request when he can, And I'm sure most DJs will oblige. No one will say no to it.
Correct, true that. So one question, one comment. Devdas Goa. Okay, hi, Jasmeet Bhai, I'm complete entertainer. Okay, DJ Savant.
Hi, Prithvi. Thank you, Sunny.
I believe in clean music. DJ Savant.
Yeah, he wipes his music every day. He wipes his laptop every day, and he plugs it in. Savant does that. He's a God-fearing guy, so he does that every day.
Yeah. One DJ Sunny Deepak, 1 second. Let me read out the comment for you. Thank you, Jasmeet, for guiding me and giving me 1 second. Giving me brilliant ideas, spending hours with me to bring the better out of me. Lot of respect and love, brother. Nice.
He's a nice guy. We also have RJ Prithvi from Bangalore Online. I say hi to him. Yeah. Thanks, Anil.
Yes. So, one more question, bhai. Like Bangalore, there is a lot of genres people listen to. Earlier we were talking about it, like rock music, jazz music, house music, hip hop, everything. So how house DJ turned into a Bollywood DJ, and then now killing it in Bangalore. Like you don't see that. I know Bangalore has different set of people, but how was the scene back then when you shifted from house to Bollywood? now scene is totally different because I have stayed in Bangalore. I've seen Bangalore changing the music transition from last 5 years only, but we have seen transition from last 20 years.
Yes.
So,
I think it's a personal choice, okay? And you'll be surprised. I didn't choose to be a Bollywood DJ in clubs. It
correct.
was the crowd that made me a Bollywood DJ in clubs. They loved my
Oh,
radio show,
okay.
and after my house music set, I would play one Bollywood track in the end. Okay, I'm talking about 15 odd years ago, and
Okay.
the energy of the club at that point of time would be next level. And I realized nobody was catering to that audience. So I started one day in a week at a small club where they had no crowd. It was a Wednesday night, I still remember. The first Wednesday, we had 20 people. And from 20 people in 3 weeks, we grew to 250 people on a Wednesday night. So that's the power of music.
For a
But
Bollywood show.
for a Bollywood night. And that time, Bangalore
Okay.
did not have Bollywood. Very little Bollywood.
Okay.
But
Okay.
then again, you know what? I personally love dancing to deep house. I love techno, and to me, I think I'm open to all genres. Okay, as I said, in private parties, even in clubs, someone says play techno, I play. Music is universal. Music has no language, so don't get stuck
True.
in the genre war.
Correct. Bhai, I'm so sorry, but I'm asking a couple of questions. But ये वाला question काफी important है. People are saying you do audio sets and you do live sets, visual
Video,
sets. They
visuals.
want to know the difference. How a lot of people want to learn visual DJing also. So how
Okay,
different is from audio DJing to video DJing, and what all softwares are required? How much skill they need?
okay. See, audio DJ, everyone knows. You get your tracks ready, you get your
Correct.
playlist ready, and go play live. Visuals also I play live. Okay, what happens in visuals is you get your tracks. Okay, you edit them according to the remix you have. There's homework in that. There's a lot of homework. Each
Correct.
track to edit will take a minimum of 1 hour and to render it and do it. And then once you edited your videos, let's say you created a bank of 300 odd videos, then you go live and then you play your set. But it is different because you're not just hearing, you're also seeing what you're playing. Okay,
Correct.
and the visuals have to appeal to the track and the mood of the track, the colors, the
Yeah,
visuals.
in sync.
Yeah, in sync. I see a lot of guys doing, like it's a sad track and the pink color thing is glowing there, like pink strobe effect. Like
True, true,
pink
true.
strobe effect is a dark tune, man. Like, why would you do that? So
Correct.
you have to pay attention. Also, video DJing will not come immediately. It didn't come immediately. It took me 3-4 months of practice, and then I went out and did my first event. There's a lot of practice to it.
Okay, so what all softwares do you use, right, for visual DJing?
Visual DJing, Final Cut Pro, and
Okay.
then you have I use a bit of Adobe and After Effects, and to play Record Box, I'm using Record Box to play.
Yeah, record.
And it's an
Okay,
HID,
okay,
it's an HID setup to my Pioneer mixer, and
okay.
maybe we can do a class of that, how I rig it up,
Sure, sure,
and
sure, sure.
each I can add effects on the fly. I don't use a controller, I use the player and the mixer, and each I can show it to you sometime. Each knob has a effect, and I can do a lot of things in it. It's fun. It's good fun.
Yeah, you should do one lesson on this one live session
Sure, sure.
dedicated to this one. I had a question here. One second. Someone typed there. They want to know more about ModeJ. ModeJ and J Crew. You can tell both of us all together now because
See,
that is more important.
Mode J is my new baby. Okay, as I said, it's a Sundowner set, and there's a lot of original content coming out on it. I don't want to talk too much about it right now.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, and but then again, it's a international product catering to a very luxury and VIP market is what I'll cater that to. Okay,
Okay.
and more so, I'm looking at playing Mode J at sunsets, of course, but on beaches and pool property. That's the
Okay.
plan. But then again, a lot of original content. Mode J will be 90% original content.
Okay.
And coming to J Crew Talent
J Crew.
Management, yeah, J
Yes.
Crew Talent Management is
So
a
guys,
company.
guys on live here. Jasmeet also owns one J Crew. Base Culture, Base Culture is a separate company. J Crew is a separate company.
Yeah, J
They're
Crew
not
is a
having
separate
it
company.
together.
J Crew is a company I started 7 months ago.
Yeah.
Okay, we have around 6 to 8 artists, some DJs that I manage. Okay, and each one is special. Each one I've chosen personally and special. We have around 42 artists in the waiting list, whom I'm trying to see which one
Yeah.
I can add in now. I don't want to see, I don't run this like a company. I give them my personal touch. I'm in touch with them
Correct.
personally almost every day. I think I have a DJ opposite here. He's also part of the crew.
Yeah,
Um,
he's saying hi.
yeah,
He's saying hi. He
yeah,
already said
yeah.
hi.
So
Yeah.
I personally am in touch with them every day, and there's not a single format which is catering to everyone. Each one has their own needs and own targets who I help achieve. You know,
Okay.
I'm basically guiding them for my mistakes. I'm letting them make the mistakes I've made. You know,
But it's fine. Someone is guiding them. From coming from
yeah.
you, it will
I,
be
I
very helpful in their career. Yeah.
yes, I want them. I want them to be out there doing well for themselves. Like a lot.
One minute. I find. So someone, one second. Hafro Jack have asked a question that I find it difficult to mix songs with lyrics. Any tips for that? Like basically 6-8 tracks.
Don't make songs and lyrics. Chuck it. No,
Do.
I think what you can do is use the loop function. Loop the first bar where you have the beats, quantize it, then loop it, and then it'll be fine. Okay. I don't know what
Then
software he's using. But he's using Recordbox or Tractor or Serato. You can quantize it, mark the grids properly, loop the first bar, and then send it. That's what I do. That's the easiest way. Or
Yeah,
hot
that
queue it.
is
Guys, use Hotq. I don't see a lot of
correct.
DJs using softwares to the fullest potential. Use Hotq, use loops. I mean, go all out. Understand the CDJs, understand your software, whatever you're using, understand your controllers. It's very important. Makes your life easier. Trust me.
1 minute. One more comment was there for somebody. Jasmeet भाई DJs tags को entry क्यों नहीं देते हो आप अपने shows में? Tags
I don't want to be
को.
dancing. I don't want to be playing to guys, man. Who the fuck wants to be playing to guys? Because some hot
Some
chicks with
B.
you, man. Come with them. I'll give you free entry every day.
One more
To be
comment.
honest, it's not my opinion, man. It's the club rules. I just follow what the club says.
DJ Mark from Bangalore. Maki is saying hello, Jasmeet bhai. How are you? What's up?
Hey, Mark, all good, man. How's it going?
Hi, Saurabh. Bhai, any new work you are working? Any new remixes or anything you're
Okay,
working on
no, I
right
think
now in
right
quarantine
now
time?
in the present scenario, I'm going out live a lot more. Okay, I think Friday and Saturday again I'll go out live on Insta and my Facebook and all that. Okay,
Yes,
I'm actually working on how to go live differently compared to others. I'm not talking about this conversation, but I'm talking about
correct.
when I'm playing music live. How do I do it differently from what everyone else is doing? Mind you, everyone else is doing a fabulous job. I love what they're doing for humanity, for everyone else. They're going live, they're keeping people entertained, they're keeping people happy. But I want to थोड़ा अलग करेंगे यार, कुछ अलग सा plan है अभी.
True.
Hopefully
No,
Friday or Saturday कुछ अलग करेंगे.
Friday night.
Friday night.
Last Friday was bomb.
Last Friday 10 o'clock.
The
Okay. Tomorrow I think
yeah.
tomorrow night 10 o'clock on Insta I'll go live.
Okay, superb. You guys have DJ Jasmeet live tomorrow. One DJ Nivas is saying hi, Jasmeet. Hi, Rajat. Hello.
Hey guys, hi everyone. Everyone who said hi to me, hello, hi. जीते रहो, जीते रहो.
By any tips to young people, to aspiring DJs during this quarantine, what they should follow?
First, okay.
And then we
Generally during
conclude the show.
quarantine, stay home, work on your music, keep those playlists. Things will get better. Don't be disheartened. I know these are tough times. I know a lot of people are losing money, not earning anything. These are tough times. Let's be honest, okay? Let's
For
not joke.
everybody, yeah.
Yeah, okay. And क्या कर सकते हैं यार, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. You'll have to wait. पर ये है कि आपको think of it कि ये टाइम आपका है कि आप लोग म्यूजिक बना सको, अपने प्लेलिस्ट बना सको और थोड़ा सोच सको आगे जाके आपकी परफॉर्मेंस यूनिक कैसे होगी, so that कि
True.
जब चीजें ठीक हो जाएं तो आपको शोज कैसे मिल सकते हैं, कि आपके परफॉर्मेंस में ये है कि उस कोई डीजे में नहीं है तो आपको शोज मिलेंगे, क्यों नहीं मिलेंगे. And I think most young DJs give up too soon. Don't give up. Okay, to reach where I've reached took me 10 years. 10 years. I did not give up. Okay, so don't give up.
Okay.
Believe in yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, Saurabh
Saab
Gosari. Someone's asking, how do you get so much energy when you are on the console?
I'm
That is a
not telling you my
secret.
secrets. I'm not telling you. I'm not
That
giving you my
that
dealer's number. Just kidding. Yeah, Savat, I think energy from the console, energy to me is music. Okay, it's absolute music. In fact, when I play music, I rarely drink liquor or anything. So to me, it's about music. When I'm playing, the energy from me, the energy from the crowd that comes back to me, and then it has to reciprocate. That's what it is. It's about energy that I get from people who are on the floor, who are jumping, shouting for me, and I feel happy, and I that's the energy to me. That's how it
true.
comes.
My last question from my side is from me that I have seen your website, everything is maintained properly. यहाँ पे इंडिया में I don't think so there's a trend to maintain the websites and everything. So how important is a website for a DJ, particularly in India, when most of the crowd, when most of the club
Are
people,
you asking me only website, or are you talking about me the whole social media in general?
marketing basically, whole social media basically.
I think, see, bro, when somebody looks, okay, someone says get DJ Jasmeet, what do they first do? They Google you.
Correct. True.
They Google you. They'll see your Insta. They'll see your Facebook. They'll see your website. So your first impressions has got to be perfect. Okay, it has to
Correct.
be bang on there. Okay, that this guy is a serious professional DJ. He's not taking shit. And sorry, I'm saying that on cam, but they need to take it as a professional DJ. And as an update, I spend one day in a week that is completely dedicated. Like Mondays is completely dedicated in maintaining my website, maintaining my social media pages, what am I planning for the week ahead. That's how I do it.
Correct. Okay. Okay. Thank
I
you,
think
bhai.
there was a
Thank you so
question.
much.
Yeah, okay.
One second. Let me
For
check.
Manil,
Let
there
me
was a
check.
question for Manil.
Anil, what's your take on music downloads and where I can find MP3 music downloads, piracy, and MP3 quality 320? What's your take on music downloads?
Yeah, don't get pirated music. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. And your software won't even play it properly. And
Correct.
the quality, I know maybe you get 320 sometimes, but what the hell? Please pay for your music. It's not too expensive. Buy from Apple Music, buy from Beatport. There's so many websites. I would say pay the artist. Why not?
One DJ
Thank you,
Navis is asking, any suggestions to improve DJing skills? Navis, we talk about it like 30-40 minutes now. I guess you were late. One second.
Improve DJ skills.
Yeah. DJing
Okay.
skills basically.
Yeah, I think it's consistent practice and understanding what a crowd needs. A lot of DJs don't realize what the crowd needs. You need to understand, you need to read your crowd. What do they need? And why aren't they dancing? Why is the floor empty? Okay. And then comes your skills. As I said earlier, learn to use all the, your controller properly, record box properly, looping, your cues, all that. You've got to learn to do it properly.
Okay.
Learn your music. Also,
Ambarish.
don't just, a lot of DJs just keep downloading music. Like, they have so much music, and I'll ask them, okay, how does this track sound? What is they want to know? Know your new music. Know each and every track well. Yeah.
So Ambarish is asking what we should practice, like what skills, mixing skills. So basically, he's asking question right now in quarantine, like where should they practice on?
Your laptop, okay? If you don't have a controller, okay, sit on your laptop, understand record box, understand Serato, understand Tractor, how does it work, and then go all out. It just don't make excuses. Find solutions. Don't just keep questioning. Find solutions. Okay.
Correct.
Like I got a controller. I got a controller of players in my house 12 years after DJing. Okay. But I told myself one thing. I'm gonna be so busy that every day I get a player to play on.
Yeah,
So,
true.
yeah, that's how it should be, man. I think just go out there.
Yeah.
Karo.
Pandey is writing one last thing. Pandey is writing Axon and DJ Jasmeet collab. That is up to
Hey,
sir,
not
not me.
interested. Not interested.
So thank you,
Hopefully.
bhai. Thank you so
Thanks,
much
man.
for
Thank
your
you, Base
time.
also. Once again, happy 3 years and enjoy yourselves.
No.
And
One more. Shraddha is saying your current favorite song.
My current favorite song.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think in English would be Blinding Lights, okay, by The Weeknd. And Hindi is Garmi. Badshah, I like
Bacha.
Badshah. I like Badshah. It's got some original content, so it's nice.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you, bye. Thank you so much. We
Cheers,
love
guys.
to
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for
take
tuning
care.
in.
Take care.
God bless.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.